Getting ready to spin these frames of honey. So all that comb has honey in it, and this machine's gonna spin it really, really fast and fling out into this bucket where we got a coarse strainer in it just to get little bits of wax. Let's see what happens here. This one starts off slow and automatically goes faster and faster. There we go. You gotta push the button hard. Sounds like a jet engine. There's about, if all those frames are full, there's 72 pounds of honey in those frames. So we've got the machine bolted to the ground. Otherwise, you cannot keep it in place. We'll see you at the next farmer's market.